Hello, this is Vacay with KB coming to you from the Iberostar Grand Bavaro in the Dominican Republic. Just want to give you a show around of my room. First closet has your robe. It also has an iron and an ironing board. Next to that is going to be your safe and some other shelving space for you to utilize. Up top we have some snacks, some cookies and maybe some plantains or potato chips. We also have some wine and some chocolates and some glasses if you need them. You have an espresso machine and some amenities for that. You also have your mini bar, which comes fully stocked, and you can have it replenished whenever you need. And you can contact your butler for that. You do have Butler Service here at the Iberostar Grand. So on to the bedroom. I have a king size bed. I have a desk. You also have a beautiful chase. And here's the television. Here's another view of your room. And you have the bathroom with a shower, rainfall shower. You have double sinks. You also have a jacuzzi. Right now I have the shades down, so that gives you some additional privacy, but the shades can go up. So right now I'm going to pull them up. So then when we go outside on the balcony, you can see them up. Here is the balcony. Chairs, table, seating area. And here is your jacuzzi from the room. And this is my view. Absolutely gorgeous. To the right here, this area right here is where all of the restaurants are. So I am close to the restaurants. And this is a boat that I believe actually turns into like an area for parties, and also I think it has a bar and a disco for in the evenings. I will double check that, but I believe so. And again, just wanted to give you a view of my room and also a view of the resort. Again, this is Vacay with KB coming to you from the Iberostar Grand Bavaro in the Dominican Republic.